Hello, and welcome back to the Home Sweet Healthy Homes podcast. Again, super excited to be on today and chatting with you guys as always. We do have a solo episode this week, so there will be no guests coming on today, but we will be talking about a couple cool programs that we just added. So stay tuned to hear about those. I feel like we haven't done any of these solo episodes in a while, so I'm excited to do one and talk to you all today. As always, feel free to call us, check out our website, subscribe to our email chain, and follow our Facebook. Our calendar will be up to date with everything that's coming up, so stay tuned for that. Also, a little bit of an update. National Lead Poisoning Prevention Week is coming up very fast and very soon. It's going to be October 21st to the 26th. So stay tuned for a week full of events for that as well. As always, all the events will be posted on the calendar, so you don't want to miss out on that. We did have a big lead poisoning prevention week last year, where, as you may or may not know, that's when the podcast dropped. We're almost coming on 1 year of the podcast, which is crazy, super crazy. I hope you all have enjoyed listening to it as I've enjoyed speaking, editing it, and creating it. It's been such a fun journey. So 1 year will be coming up next month. Exciting stuff. So let's get started with some of the new programs we have for you all today. Our first program is our new Aging in Place program. This is for older community individuals who are looking to age in their home. With this program, we provide up to $5,000 for necessary home repairs to keep elderly individuals in their homes. And so if you are 62 and up, you do qualify for this program. It does have a couple other qualifications in there, but 62 and up is one of them. So if you are 62 and up, you are one step ahead. Also, we are able to modify homes to the specific need of the applicant. What will happen is once you apply, you meet the HUD guidelines, income guidelines, do all that fun stuff, get accepted. We will have a physical therapist / occupational therapist come in. They'll look at your house, they'll look and see what needs to be modified based on your specific concerns, requests. Maybe it is adding a ramp to your house. Maybe it is converting a bathtub to a shower, creating more lights if you're visually impaired, creating bigger signs in your home so you can see things like the number of your house, so you can see the number of your house better. There are a bunch of different changes and modifications to your house that the PT or OT will look in, see what needs to be done, and go from there. Hopefully, this can help older Quincy residents stay independent and stay in their homes by funding some of these home modifications and services. Also, we can cover repairs and upgrades like wheelchair ramps, accessible showers to ensure a safe and comfortable living space for the aging community members in Quincy. Super exciting. And we're really excited to have this program out for all the residents over 62 and up in Quincy, just to feel comfortable in your own home and be able to age in your own home as well. Briefly earlier, I mentioned some of the qualifications. Another qualifications are you must own your property. Like I said, meet the HUD income guidelines, be 62 or older, and you must live in Quincy. This program will take around 4 months or so. At the beginning, like I said, it is a grant. So it's a $5,000 grant, so you will not have to pay us back at all. Not a cent. So it's a really great program. You can apply on our website. You can also hand in paper copies as well. And if you're having trouble filling out the application, don't worry. We can come over and help you fill it out as well. So just give us a call if you have any questions or concerns while filling out the application. And we will be able to help you out, answer anything you may need, answer any questions about maybe the documents that are required for this program. You are able to receive all the documents online, and if you are not tech savvy, don't worry, we can mail over these applications and the required documents as well. So there are plenty of ways to apply if you are looking to apply to this program. Also, our second program coming up is our Healthy Homes Grant. It's a new Healthy Homes program. So this is up to a $10,000 grant for necessary home repairs to keep it safe and remove all environmental risks. Unlike the Aging in Place program, it is a grant, so you do not have to pay us back at all, which is super exciting. Obviously, who doesn't love free home repairs? So this grant really is going to do essential repairs to upgrade and focus on health and environmental risks in the home. And by investing in safer and healthier homes, the City of Quincy wants to ensure that families are able to live in a safer and healthier environment, enhancing the community well-being and quality of life for its Quincy residents. And so some of the repairs that this grant can upgrade or remove are environmental and health risks, pest and insect removal and control. You can get some new windows, roof and gutter repairs, mold removal, lead removal, and so much more. It is based on what your house needs, so case-by-case basis on the needs of the applicant and the home they're living in. Not only will these repairs keep your house safe from health and environmental risks, but it will add value onto your house too. And who doesn't love that? You can also work with this program in conjunction with the other programs we have in the office. You can use this program to offer additional assistance, such as our lead abatement program, which is in episode 2. You should give it a listen. I will tag it in the description box below. You can learn all about our lead abatement program. Also, can be used in conjunction with our housing rehab program or even our first-time homebuyer program as well. You can use our first-time homebuyer program to purchase the house, and then from there, you can use our lead abatement program, our Healthy Homes Grant, to remove environmental risks and remove the lead from your house. So, how perfect is that? As the Aging in Place program had its specific qualifications, this also does have some specific qualifications as well. You must own your property, although renters, you can talk to your landlord and apply with your landlord as well. You must fall under the HUD guidelines, and so if you are a renter looking to apply with your landlord, we will be taking the renter's income and not the landlord's. But if you own your property, we will be taking the owner's income with the amount of people that are living in the house. You do have to have a child under 6 or frequently visiting child under the age of 6. You must live in Quincy or Weymouth, and the house must be built before 1978. So it's a really great opportunity to have your house get rid of all these environmental risks and factors, creating it a better place for you to raise families and have your loved ones live. And just a couple updates before we wrap up the podcast episode today. First of all, Lead Week is coming up. How exciting! Really excited to kick off this Lead Week coming up in October 21st through the 26th. Last full week in October, and we'll have bunch of events planned that will be super exciting, and we'd love to see you all there. Also, we do have another puppet show coming where we'll have Lee with her amazing puppets coming on November 7th at 10:30 a.m. to the Thomas Crane Main Branch Library. That's one that always fills up and you do not want to miss. Stay tuned for the upcoming 1-year anniversary episode of this podcast and a couple cool events coming during Lead Week. I think that's all I have to mention today. Stay tuned for everything that's coming up. As always, please feel free to call us whenever you have any questions at all. Just curious about our programs. Call me at 617-376-1055 or be sure to email me at ktenney, KTENNEY at quincyma.gov. Right. Well, as always, I hope you all have a great rest of your day, great rest of your night whenever you're listening to this, and I will see you hopefully at the Lead Week events. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.